Hi everyone, today I'm making a simple, fresh, healthy Greek yogurt bowl. This is one of my easiest breakfast ideas and it's perfect for when you want something healthy and quick. Start with 1 cup of Greek yogurt. It's very high in protein, very filling, and is great for blood sugar control. It helps keep you full for hours and also satiated. After this, you're not going to be hungry for anything else. Next, you're going to add your fruit. Today, I'm going to be using kiwi fruit and some raspberries. Kiwi is an excellent choice for diabetics or if you're eating healthy because it's very low in sugar and it's also high in fiber. And these kiwi fruits also give you all the vitamin C that you need for a day. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to sprinkle some seeds and nuts. So for my nuts, I'm going to use some walnuts. These add healthy fats and fiber, which helps slow digestion and keeps your blood sugar steady. And then we are also going to add some chia seeds. For these chia seeds, I soaked it in water overnight so it's not dried. So now I'm going to add it, and we know chia seeds are very healthy and they're also high in fiber. I'm trying to eat as much fiber as I can in a day. So after that, I'm now going to add my carrot sticks on the side. Carrots are low carb, they're crunchy, and they make the bowl even more colorful. I like putting as much colors as I can on my breakfast plate. So that's it guys, a simple Greek yogurt bowl ready in under 2 minutes. It's refreshing, nutritious, and perfect for a busy morning. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more diabetes friendly recipes. Thanks for watching.